What goes on, eh? Good morning, crew. Tonight we're gonna draw one of season 2's newest characters, some guy named Off Phill, one of Canada's greatest hockey players, and also known as the Royal Fumble Champion, alongside Vinny Victory. And his signature move is the Slap Shot Slammer. And you have noticed that his hockey mask is based on the Canadian flag, which is kind of amazing, that I'd say. Anyways, you ever noticed that the top of his mask, it represents the leaf on the Canadian flag? Well, looks like I got that one right. Until next time, eh? Slap Shot Slammer!